interrogative. What type of sentences are they? They are all WH questions. WH question means where it ends with a question mark. So interrogative is the sentences which ends with a question mark. It is very easy to understand, student. These 4 kinds, if you understand very well, then you are sure to get the marks. Each question carries 2 marks, and I am sure that you will do the best to get 2 marks for this type of question. Now, interrogative. Interrogative means the sentences which ends with a question mark. Should I now write here? Yes. Are you ready to look? Yes. Question 1. Did you go to school? Question mark. Did you go to school? So this is one type which I have given you. Is it clear? Now, next. What is your name? Interrogative. All these type of sentences which I am writing on the board are interrogative. Now, next I am giving to you, why did you trouble her? I know the sisters, brothers often have a fight, and so mother asks this question, why did you trouble her? So when the sentence ends with a question mark, it expresses a question, and that type of sentence is called interrogative. So are you sure you understood the first, second and third kind? I repeat orally again. In the first kind, assertive, that is a statement. It may be affirmative or negative. How to recognize negative? The words no, not, never are used, so it becomes negative. And then I showed you the pattern that is imperative. Imperative are request, order and advice. So such type of sentences you can separate them and make them under the category of imperative. Then I taught you interrogative. Sentences which end with a question mark are called interrogative, and for this I have given 3 sentences. Do you go to school? See the toning, question toning. What is your name? Why did you trouble her? Yes. Now are you sure you understood all these 3? Now the last kind I am explaining, and that last kind in this sentences is exclamatory. Yes. What are exclamatory sentences? These are sentences which expresses sudden emotions or feelings, and it always ends with all of you know which mark? Exclamatory mark. So most of the sentence in the beginning either it will start with an exclamatory mark, or in the end it will be ended with an exclamatory mark. So what are these things I told you in exclamatory? Exclamatory sentences are the sentences which expresses sudden emotions, feelings and ends with exclamation mark. Either it ends with exclamation mark in the end or in the beginning. Both are the types. Now I'll give you the sentence number 1. Sentence number 1 is, how beautiful the rainbow is. How beautiful the rainbow is. So did you understand? Has it end with exclamatory mark? Did it end with question mark? No. So it is the feeling when you see the rainbow, colorful rainbow in the sky. Don't you have that feeling? So that feeling I expressed here in this sentence, how beautiful the rainbow is. Now next sentence I am giving you. Pay attention, how am I writing it? Oh, how nice. When you see something very good, don't you come out with that emotion? Oh, how nice. Yes, so did you understand? I'm writing one more sentence for you, which will definitely give you the clear idea. And here it is. What a terrible storm. So all these sentences, you might have noticed, ends with an exclamation, and this exclamation tells me that this is exclamatory sentence. Now you are here also, you ask me, teacher, here you have written comma and then ended with exclamation. Yes, do you write this way? Oh, an exclamation, and how nice? No. So after doing this type of exclamatory, whatever you get, at the end it comes, oh, how nice. So you followed? Did you understand all these patterns? Did you understand? Yes. So this way I could cover the grammar's part as a kinds of sentences. Are you sure you understood? Once again I repeat, there are 4 kinds of sentences. One is assertive, second is imperative, third is interrogative, and fourth is exclamatory. In assertive, they are the statements, but they can be expressed in affirmative and negative. But you have to select that correct answer. And for negative, it is always used no, not, never. So remember this, and I hope repeating all these sentences again and again will fix in your brain, I am sure. Is that clear, children?